Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook a very simple dish, but it's yummy and very quick. Okay, so I'm going to cook butter melon with ground beef. Okay, so we need salt, the pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and then the butter melon, and then the ground beef, garlic, onions, and to the garlic. The onion, and then the tomatoes, ground beef. So I did not put so much oil because the ground beef has so much oil. Okay, so daghan kayo ni mantika siguro. So mao na kung may sobra gali ato lang kuhaan. Okay, a little soy sauce. Just a little pepper. Okay, let's cook the meat first, the beef first, before we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we're gonna cover it first. The meat is cooked. So we're gonna add the bitter melon, ampalaya, okay, add a little soy sauce, just a little, oyster sauce, salt, okay guys, and then simmer for a few minutes until the butter melon is cooked. Okay, so we're gonna, until the butter melon is cooked, and we're gonna cover it. Okay guys, it's already cooked. Okay guys, look at that one, the bitter melon with ground beef is done. Okay. It's super yummy guys. Okay, alone with ground beef. It's very simple and very easy and very quick to make. Okay, so just follow me on my YouTube channel, D Bruja. Please like and share and subscribe on my YouTube channel, D Bruja. To my Instagram, D_bro_jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.